The best beach bags and totes for women. Get ready to have fun on your beach outing with our list of the best beach bags. A big beach bag can accommodate everything you would require for a fun day, including a towel, bathing suit, sunscreen, a book, and more. These beach bags are waterproof, durable, and sand-resistant, and come with multiple pockets to organize your stuff conveniently. You can easily access your belongings since the bags are spacious and easy to use. With various designs, colors, and sizes, you can choose a bag to suit your needs. So, explore our list of options and choose accordingly. Number 1. Scout Original Deano Tote Bag for Women. Pack everything you need in this beach bag and make your beach outing fun. The uniquely shaped bag with a strong base allows you to carry several things without having to worry about space. With the heavy-duty strap, weight is never a concern. The collapsible design allows you to store it with ease. Pros: the open top allows for easy handling, lightweight design, water, mold, and odor resistant, easy to clean and quick to dry, sturdy bottom and stable shape. Interior key ring to keep your keys safe. Cons: maybe a bit thin, may not withstand heavy weights. Number 2. Dalix Premium Beach Bag. This is a stylish bag inspired by a naval theme with blue stripes on white. The beach bag for women offers enough storage space to carry all your stuff. The zipper on the main compartment prevents the contents in the bag from falling out. Pros: 100% cotton bag, lightweight and compact. Heavy-duty stitching for greater strength. Small pocket on the outside for smaller things. Soft bottom. Cons: the seams of the front pocket may be loose. Color may fade. Number 3. Mesh Beach Bags and Totes for Women. One of the best beach bags. This one is roomy enough to carry towels, sunblock, water bottle, slippers, and more. The mesh doesn't allow the sand to stay inside. The keyring holder keeps your keys safe. The waterproofed inner pocket with a zip keeps the sand out and allows you to keep your valuables. Features: mesh bag made of highly durable fabric, removable strap with cotton padding for comfort, lightweight and waterproof, beach bag with pockets to keep items organized, quick to dry and allows ventilation. Number 4. Alpaca Go Drawstring Bag. This bag comes in irresistibly cool prints that make it stylish. The fashionable drawstring bag is perfect for carrying all your beach essentials. It also makes an awesome pick not just for a day on the shore, but also for your trips to the gym, supermarket, or sports complex. Pros: convenient drawstring closure, made of 100% waterproof polyester, convenient size to carry beach essentials, easy to store when not in use, small zipper pocket inside to keep valuables. Cons: the size may be small, seams may not withstand wear and tear in the long run. Number 5. F-Color Oversized Mesh Beach Bag. If you are looking for a super spacious beach bag, then this is one you should consider. The strong sewing imparts this mesh bag impressive strength. A clever keychain, splash-proof pocket, and lots of extra pockets help keep your stuff organized all the time. Pros: eco-friendly mesh, multiple mesh pockets of different sizes, waterproof zipper pocket to keep valuables, sturdy and spacious, comfortable strap, easy to wash and dry. Cons: the bottom may be unstable, the handle may leave marks on the shoulders or hands. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.